Okay, so we set up this NEXUS 7000 now for chlorine, and we've calibrated it. We've set everything up, and it's got pH. Here's your flow cell. There's your flow cell read switch. It has to be. You have to have enough flow to get it above this red line. Okay, otherwise it'll shut this system off. It won't work. pH probe in here. There's our ampiometric probe right there. But we've taken that out and we put it into these two containers. One has got some chlorinated water, the other one has got no chlorine in it. So what we've done is we've got it in the chlorinated water right now. We've got water running through the sample cell so that we have the relay activated. Now right now this is reading a 1.92 and slightly and climbing. Should be around 2 ppm of chlorine in there. Okay? So when we take the probe, ampiometric probe out, put it in the sample that has no chlorine in it, we can see it's starting to drop now. And it's designed at around 0.5 to turn on. And it'll build up to, I think we've set this one at 1.2 ppm to shut off. So we're at 0.5 now. Now it's dropped below. Turn on the relay. The pump is running. It's dosing. Now we're got it dosed to the point where our chlorine level is risen. So I'm simulating that by putting it in that cup that's got around 2.5 ppm of chlorine, and it's shut off because we have this set to shut off at 0.5 ppm of chlorine. Okay. So the terminals that you have to have it on are these were 10 and 11 and 12. And then there's your reed switch right here, which are wired into these terminals here. There's your pump, and there's your power over on the side here. That's how it's all set up. And you go to program it. You want us to, we'll go right through Brian to show them how to program it. So you hit escape. Here, I'll do this. Okay, so you're gonna hit escape.
So escape and enter to go to settings. Oh, not that one, sorry. And then go to settings here.
Settings.
And then under 3B, that's your chlorine.
Yep.
Go to relay.
Go
Choose on and off.
on and off. Yep.
And then set your set point to a desired value.
So in this case, you want to set it around 0.5 ppm. That's our set value. Okay.
Yeah. Type dose is low. Hysteresis are off.
Everything else below that is off.
Yeah. And once you go back,
Hit escape.
escape again. Make sure you save it.
Yeah, hit escape one more time. Save. Yeah. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. So there's where we're at right now. We're about 2.5 ppm of chlorine. When I change that out to our other probe, that's got very little in it. You'll see it drops off right here. So it'll get down to about we say
0.5.
0.5?
Yeah.
You can set it at whatever you want in the settings. There she goes. So it's dropping, as it should be. We're adding chlorine into it. I changed it to the other one. This will start increasing. There it is. So it stopped at 0.5, and it'll just keep cycling between those two as long as the water demand is there. So this is as simple as that. Okay, any questions, give us a call.